Long ago, humans first noticed electricity in nature during powerful lightning storms. They wondered, what is this powerful force coming from the sky? Later, people discovered that rubbing certain materials could create a strange invisible force. This force could pull small objects without touching them. Scientists began experimenting to understand this mysterious energy. They realized lightning and this small force were actually the same kind of energy. One famous experiment used a kite to capture electricity from a storm. Electricity comes from tiny particles called charges. When charges move, they create electric current. Scientists then created the first batteries to store electricity. Electricity can travel through a path called a circuit. Eventually, electricity was used to create light. Electricity began traveling across cities through wires. Today, electricity powers our homes, tools, and technology. Though we cannot see it, electricity is everywhere. But electricity must be used carefully, as it can be dangerous. From lightning in the sky to power in our homes, electricity changed the world forever.